Ever wondered what magic happens when raw ingredients transform into delicious meals? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the enchanting world of cooking. This isn't just about tossing items into a pan, it's about understanding the science, the art, the love that goes into every dish. With a dash of knowledge and a pinch of passion, even the simplest ingredients can metamorphose into a culinary masterpiece. So, are you ready to explore? Let's unravel the mystery together as we walk through a simple yet delightful recipe. Today, we're diving into the heart of a classic dish, spaghetti aglio e olio. This Italian gem hails from Naples, combining simplicity with robust flavors. It's perfect for beginners, requiring nothing more than spaghetti, garlic, olive oil, chili flakes, and parsley. The magic lies in the harmonious blend of these humble ingredients. You'll also need a pinch of salt to taste and a good appetite. This recipe is about transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. With these simple ingredients, we're about to create a culinary masterpiece. Now, let's get our hands dirty and begin the cooking process. Our journey starts with the preparation of our key ingredients. First off, we have our spaghetti. We're going to cook it in a pot of boiling salted water until it's just shy of al dente. This is crucial as it will finish cooking in the pan with our sauce later on. Next, let's talk garlic. Freshly peeled and thinly sliced, it's the heart and soul of our dish. We'll gently sauté it in olive oil, extracting its delightful aroma without burning it. This is where patience comes into play. Then, we have our punchy red pepper flakes. They add a subtle heat that beautifully balances the richness of the olive oil and garlic. We'll toss them into the pan just long enough to release their fiery essence. Now, we're ready to marry our ingredients. We'll drain the spaghetti, reserving some pasta water, and add it to the pan. The starchy pasta water is the secret ingredient that helps emulsify the oil and coat every strand of spaghetti with garlicky goodness. Finally, we'll garnish our dish with a generous sprinkle of chopped parsley for a fresh, vibrant finish. And don't forget a good grating of Parmesan cheese for that added layer of flavor. Cooking is all about understanding each step and how it contributes to the final dish. It's a symphony of flavors, each note as important as the other. And just like that, you've created a mouth-watering dish from scratch. See, cooking isn't as intimidating as it seems, is it? We've journeyed through the mysterious world of cooking, unveiled a simple yet delightful recipe, and explored the importance of understanding the process. You've seen the techniques, the tricks, and the transformation. Now it's your turn to stir the pot. Give this recipe a try at home. Embrace the adventure of cooking, and remember, the magic of cooking is all about transformation. So don't be afraid to experiment and make each dish your own. Happy cooking!